Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M850i xDrive Coupe in Alpine White with the black Merino inside. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M850i xDrive Coupe in Alpine White. And I've just pressed unlock, so we've got the kidney grille lighting up. We got the headlight welcoming animation there as well, and you can see the light cascading from the top down through the kidney, which looks real cool. And what I'll do is, before we start the video, let me just do a lap all the way around. Look at that side profile. And I'm glad that we still have a couple of vehicles here with a V8. So now that we've done this lap all the way around, let's take a closer look at all the details. We got the classic Alpine White, the color that's been in BMW the longest, I think. And Alpine White is pretty well the M color. Mineral White may look a little bit richer, but it doesn't represent the M brand the same way. The M850 has these nice bold lines on the hood. Look at that. We've got the rondelle up front and center. One-piece matte black kidney grille with the vertical double slats, and again the top illuminates so light cascades down, which gives a really cool effect. We've got the little M badge there on the driver's side. Down at the bottom, we have a little rubber splitter radar there for the advanced driver assist stuff. And we have some carbon fiber air intake ducts down here. It's pretty subtle, but it's definitely there and looks real nice. So front end still has the traditional 4-eye BMW front face design. And if we take a closer look, these are the BMW laser light headlights, and this part being all blacked out, shadow line, and we still have this kind of half angel eye design and all the intricate little lines and such on the actual lights themselves. That looks crazy. And the blue accents in there as well, which is from the laser light days. Now if we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have the 20-inch V-spoke 730 individual wheels, and we got the black M Sport brake back there. That looks sweet. We also have the little M badge on the front fender in the Canadian market. We have the black air breather is what they call it. We also have a very bold rocker panel. Carbon fiber M wing mirrors here, integrated turn signal and side camera, and look at this one. We've got a slick top roof. This one doesn't have the CF roof, which is very unique. We've got touch comfort access on both doors. We also have the windows tinted at 35%. Hofmeister kink. I like the lines on the hood as well. And we've got the sloping rear windshield here, carbon fiber spoiler on the tailgate, and if I go ahead, there's the rear 20-inch wheel, and we got the L-shaped taillights at the back, and we've got some M850i badging over here. I really like this L-shaped tail design. The little kink in it looks very aggressive. We also have the horizontal reflectors down at the bottom, and we have the freeform exhaust with two tips on either side, and we have that carbon fiber rear diffuser here as well, which looks sweet. Now I've got the key with me, so just give it a kick underneath the middle here so we can have this open the hands-free way. The trunk in here is not tall, but it is pretty deep. Carpeted mats are here. Fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We have a little netted area on this side. And in here we've got a little toolkit. So we've got wheel lock, key, tow hook, all that good stuff. And up top, button to close, another one to close and lock. But we can certainly just kick our foot underneath the middle to have this close the hands-free way. Look at this shot right here. And if we come around here to the rear quarter on the passenger side, fuel cap door is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a spot to put the cap. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click, and you just shut the door. Now if I go ahead and step back for a second, that side profile view looks wicked. And if I go ahead and open that door, you'll see inside we've got some ambient lighting, Bowers & Wilkins sound system, unlock lock, passenger side memory, nice stitching across the panel, galvanic window control. We've got stitching all the way around. We have a door pocket, aluminum illuminating M850i door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster, manual under the thigh extension, and headrest forwards backwards is manual, but height is power. And you can see how it's kind of curved in on either side, so it gives it a kind of a hugging effect. We've got the previous style vents, glove box down here illuminated, and up top nice soft touch materials. We got Bowers & Wilkins up there as well, and nice stitching going across with the ambient light strip. And we can see we've got iDrive 7 on the giant display over there, but we're going to take a closer look at that in a minute. Individual merino leather seats. If I lift this up and put the seat into the acute angle, the seat will slide forward, allowing us access to the rear seating area. And when we look back there, you'll see that there are two seat belts. We also have Bowers & Wilkins speaker back here, coat hanger on the back of the B-pillar, Alcantara headliner is kind of dark in here to see, and the center here, it is connected all the way through. And when I go ahead and get out of here and put the seat into the recline angle, it will go back to where it previously was. And once again, here's iDrive 7 on the giant screen. We have physical climate controls with ventilated seats and heated seats. Memory, programmable memory buttons. If I press this, you'll find that we have a wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. We also have the glass push start button, glass shifter with the 8 inside there illuminating. And we also have the glass iDrive controller, all the nice padding going across the side. If I press this, we also have a 12-volt plug and a USB Type-C inside of here. The armrests also heat individually with the heated seats. So now that we've taken a look through this side, let's shut this door. We'll go to the driver's side next. All right, if we approach from the driver door, open that up. Again, inside of here, you'll see that we've got the ambient light strip, Bowers & Wilkins sound system speakers here, memory seats, unlock lock, window switches, side mirror controls, M850i carbon core door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster once again. Let's take a look at those seats. And here's the M Sport steering wheel with the M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching all the way around. We also have the head-up display with some nice stitching going around there and making this nice cowl where the instrument cluster is. And up top, you'll see we've got microphones on the ceiling for both the driver and passenger, some reading lights, SOS for roadside assistance. There's your rear view mirror with some buttons underneath for your garage door openers. We also have a visor up top, a little mirror here with the light turning on, and the visor can come out, and that is sweet. This one also has the advanced driver assist package, so it gives you the cruise control that will mitigate the speed, distance, and steer for you so long as eyes are open. Infrared light looking at your face to make sure that's the case, and you just need at least one hand on the steering wheel. Now over here, just like on the other side, this curves into the door. Down here we've got your pedals, and here's your hood release. It's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful N63 4.4 liter V8 twin power turbo, 523 horsepower, 553 foot-pounds of torque. And we've got some strut braces going with through the intake boxes, which is kind of interesting. Positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal down here, washer fluid way over to the side. And this hood is gigantic, so if you try to put it down, you'll find a lot of resistance from the 2 hydraulic arms and the wind resistance from you just trying to shut this. So if you want to properly close the M850i hood or even the M8 hood, you're going to want to bring the hood about halfway and you're going to want to throw it down. 1, 2, 3, just like that. Otherwise, it likely won't close properly and you're going to make multiple attempts, which is never any fun. Alright, so let's just do one more lap all the way around before we conclude the video. And we definitely want to see those lights back on there. And let's do some pathway lighting while we're at it. Full low beam systems on, looks sweet. And another side profile shot there. So it's sad to see that the 8 Series is leaving our lineup. I'm not sure what will replace it or if anything, but I hope BMW comes up with something to fill this void. And since we're back here, I hope we have enough gas. And 1, 2, 3 again. How did you like that remote engine start, cold start sound? And how do you like this spec M850i xDrive Coupe? If you like it a lot, it's available right now. Contact me immediately for details. Otherwise, let me know in the comments below what you think. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M850i xDrive Coupe in Alpine White with the black merino leather, 20-inch wheels. Car's awesome. Slick top is also really unique. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.